With my European eSIM, stay connected during your entire holiday in France or in Europe. How does it work? Let's check it out. Click on the My European eSIM banner on your favorite travel site or go directly to our website. Choose Buy Now, then Buy eSIM card. Fill in the requested information and proceed to payment. You will then receive a confirmation email. Installing your eSIM on your phone is really easy. Make sure you're connected to the internet and scan the QR code in the email using the camera app of your smartphone. It will automatically offer you to add the eSIM. If you're in France, it will be activated immediately. Otherwise, once you arrive, go to Settings, Connections, SIM card manager and activate the eSIM. You're all set. The Bouygues Telecom operator and the network appear in the phone top bar. You can now enjoy all the advantages of your eSIM and most of all, your holidays. With my European eSIM, stay connected.
On est fait pour être ensemble. Bouygues Telecom.